Hello and welcome back. This is another video looking at the Yr8 Fitness Assignment, and it's a follow-on from looking at question 5. So you started writing the circuit and you want to finish writing it. So just a reminder that the assignment looks like this. We're looking at section C, but in particular section C, question 5. And in the last video I went through how to write the circuit. But now you need to go back and check that each station or each exercise that you've written covers this part of the assignment. So you'll need to, for every station that you've written or every exercise that you've planned for your client, you'll need to identify the fitness component that's relevant to that exercise, chuck in some pictures or explain how to do the exercise, and state how they're going to do it. So how many sets, how many reps, how long do they spend at each exercise or each station. So here's a little example to help you out. This is station 2 from my circuit that I've written for Miss Gallagher, and she needs to go and get a skipping rope, which as a trainer I should already have ready to go for her. So she'll grab the skipping rope, and my instructions to Miss Gallagher is make sure that there's enough space to skip without hitting anybody or objects and things around you. Make sure that you do small jumps while skipping the rope over and over. You're going to be skipping for 2 minutes. And the fitness component that we're working while doing skipping is aerobic capacity. So this is a really good example of how you can put together your assessment when you're writing your circuit. You might choose to do a PowerPoint because it's nice and easy. You can have each slide is a station. You can put your picture in. You can say what equipment you need, what instructions you want to give, how much time or how many reps they're doing. So if it was a push-up instead, I might say that I want her to do 12 push-ups, have a 30-second rest, and do another 12 push-ups. So hopefully this helps when it comes to visualizing what might your assignment look like. This right here is a great example. Good luck.